Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to go back from your modifications or undo your modifications in Notion application or the Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Notion desktop application, or you can just connect to your Notion web portal and connect to your Notion account, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. In this example here, I'm going to create just a new page as you are seeing here, and we are going to do our tutorial. So basically, let's just do some modification on something. For example, let's add text. Hello world. Uh, I'm going uh, I'm going to add some modification to our text and add, for example, some font style like this. Make it a code. Give it some style, etc. Now we want to undo these changes. So basically, the first thing that you might want to do is to use a shortcut. So all you need to do now is to click on Ctrl plus Z and you will have undo one modification. Otherwise, you can just go to your page options or settings. They are located here in the corner top right, and then you click on these 3 point icons, and down we will find something that is called undo. So basically you click on undo and it will have the exact same effect of our shortcut, which is Control plus Z. So you can do this as many as you have finished your undo tries. So basically, as you have seen, this is how you undo your modifications. Thank you for watching and see you next time.